Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Today guys, I am going to be sharing some information about Celer Network. You know, that's one of my favorite projects. I did a video about them. They are an underpriced excellent crypto project. They are a layer 2 scaling platform that does work very efficiently, and it works with a lot of other chains. Okay, I'm going to get more into that, but first let me tell you this. Remember, I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Also, I've got to say this. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a lot of other things, but I am not a financial advisor. The content and the information that I bring to you and I share with you is meant to be for educational purposes only. And I'm also, when I talk about prices and dollar amounts, I'm sharing my own personal experience. Remember, your money is your money. You are the only person who is in charge of your money, you and whoever your financial advisor is, if you have one. So remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing information with you. All right. Okay. So let's get started. Celer Network, one of my favorite projects. Make sure you hang on to the end, because remember, I bought 16,000 tokens, and I told you that I would give you periodic updates and let you know how that part of my portfolio was doing. I'm going to give you an update and show it to you at the end of this video, because I believe in transparency. So you need to see, I bought those tokens back in January. I want you to see where they are today. Okay. Also, I'm going to be sharing some information with you. We're going to look at some of Celer Networks, their updates, their new partnerships, some of the advances in their technology, and you're going to be impressed. Like I said, this is a layer 2 scaling platform, and it's used with a lot of other chains. They have their C-Bridge technology, they have their messaging technology, and what they allow other chains to do is to operate more efficiently, faster, safer. The big thing is cheaper in a secure environment. Okay, so Celer Network, let's go ahead and let's get started. Remember, I did the video on why invest in Celer Network. If you want information on their technology, their team, and their tokenomics, please take a look at that video, and it's going to give you all the information you need about Celer Network. All right. Let's go ahead and first, let's take a look at the Ethereum, which is the number 2 largest by market cap cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at their ecosystem. I want you all to see, where does Celer Network fit in this ecosystem, so you all can see this project is way underpriced in my opinion, and you can see how this is bringing value to the blockchain ecosystem. Take a look here in the under infrastructure. Celer Network has fantastic infrastructure, and that infrastructure is being used by the other blockchains, and you can see it here. You see the other big boys, the Polygon, OMG, Loom, ZK Sync, Aztec. So Celer Network is in that same category with those other infrastructure chains, and you can see the work that they're doing. Another place, look over here at payments and transfers. You can see as part of this ecosystem as well. They're there with Loopring, Connects, Diversify, Raiden, AdX, and so you can see Celer Network, guys, is not going anywhere but up, up, up. I really like this project a lot, and that's why I am heavily invested in this project. So that's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, okay? Next, let's take a look at the layer 2 scaling solutions on Ethereum. Ethereum is in my opinion, the most secure smart contract blockchain. It's the most secure, hands down. And so you can take a look at these other layer 2 solutions that run on top of Ethereum, and you can see the Celer Network is one of those, and you can see they're in good company. They're in great company. They're with Stark, Optimism, Fuel, Aztec, Loopring. You can just see it here. So look here, Matic. So Celer Network is an excellent company. Guys, this is fantastic technology. It's an underpriced blockchain, and it is definitely an opportunity in my opinion. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do, I want to go ahead and I'm going to come back and show you all how much money I've made since January on my particular project. But first, I want to go ahead and let's take a look first on, you all know I love CoinGecko. If you haven't already, download the CoinGecko app, or you can also look at it on your computer. I like to look at it on my computer because I need big screens, okay? You all know that CoinGecko is one of my favorite tools to use for research. If you haven't already, download the CoinGecko app, because this is where you can research white papers. This is where you do your own research and you do your own work so that you can confirm where you want to spend your own money, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here and I am going to go into CoinGecko. And I'm going to go into CoinGecko and I'm going to look up Celer Network because I just want to take a look and see what the market is doing today. So here we go. You know, once you get into CoinGecko, in the search bar, all you have to do is type in Celer, and it's 191 by market cap. So here it is. It comes up. Here we go. We got Celer Network. So right now, today it is up 28.8% or 29%. Guys, this is what I'm saying about crypto. That's why I talked about in my my crypto millionaire strategy. Celer Network is up 29% today in one day. The S&P 500 was up 27% in the entire year of 2021. That's why I'm excited about crypto. S&P up, and it took 12 months to get 27%. Celer Network, one day to get 29%. That's why I'm excited about crypto. That's why I'm excited about the projects that I believe in. Okay, so Celer Network is 7.3 cents today. It's up. I just want to take a look and see where it is. Okay, that's fantastic and I like it. All right, now the next thing I want to do, let's go ahead and take a look at their Twitter, because Twitter, if you want to follow your project, just take a look at Twitter and you can see exactly what's going on. So you can see on their Twitter. Let's see what's going on. They got a lot of things that's going on that's really exciting that I can appreciate. Okay, so let's take a look. Celer Network. Remember, I told you they have the interchain messaging that's live on their test net. So it's in test net. It's in beta. So that's why it's still underpriced, because they're still developing this technology. Remember, they've got the cross-chain composability has arrived. You can bridge your assets. The interchain message framework, I talked about that in my other video. They're continuing to work on that particular project, which is very impressive. You can see here, the C-Bridge now supports bridging the HUH token, the HUH, between Ethereum and the Binance chain. And I'm going to talk about the Binance, the work they're doing with BNB, because this is the biggest and the most impressive thing to me. But they're growing and they're just doing big things. Tomorrow, if you're interested, and that would be on Friday, they have a kickoff with the BNB chain, Anchor, and NodeReal.io if you're interested in that. So the biggest thing I want to talk about today is their BSC application, the side chain. So Celer Network is one of the primary side chains for the BNB chain. And you're probably saying, what is the BNB chain? Well, Binance Exchange is the largest crypto exchange in the world. So the Binance Exchange is the largest crypto exchange. And remember, I did a video, I don't know, some time back. CK is the CEO of Binance. And remember, he's worth about, I don't know, maybe what, $200 billion. And he's doing major things in the world, in and outside of the blockchain ecosystem, to grow, develop, and increase adoption with everyone. So Celer Network is one of the primary layer 2 solutions for the BNB chain. They're just rebranding themselves from the Binance Smart Chain. So I want to talk a little bit about what they're doing with BNB, because it is major, it is big. That's why I'm telling you all, guys. Celer Network is continuing to do the great work. They're continuing to add on partnerships. They're continuing to grow their technology, and they're continuing to grow in value and price as well. So let's take just a quick look. Anchor, Celer, NodeReal, and NodeReal launched BAS Testnet. That is the Binance Chain Testnet, a BNB chain side chain framework. So the biggest thing is BNB chain infrastructure projects, Anchor, Celer Network, and NodeReal teamed up to launch the first BAS testnet and establish a framework for creating side chains in the BNB chain system. Guys, that's major. Celer Network is doing major things. They're doing major things. So basically, Celer is delighted to play a key role in enabling seamless and composable bridging and interoperability between the burgeoning BAS application ecosystem and the BNB chain infrastructure with Anchor and NodeReal in supporting the next generation of games and applications, said Dr. Mo Dong, co-founder at Celer. And you can see the team. I talked a little bit about Dr. Mo Dong in that particular video. But guys, that's all you need to know about Celer Network. And today, when I did this video on Celer Network before, the price was, I think, 5 cents or 4 cents, 4 cents or 5 cents, and you can see now that it is 7 cents today. Okay, so that's the biggest thing that I wanted you all to know there. Now, one other thing, remember I told you, because I am transparent and I did my particular investment in Celer Network back on January 10th. I purchased 16,000 tokens for $1,029, and today it is worth, let's see, $1,194. And on top of that, remember, I love free. I've earned, because I've been staking my Celer Network, these 16,000 tokens, I've earned an additional 103.9 free tokens, because every week, and you can look on here, I earn 9.208 free Celer tokens, and I stake this on the crypto.com exchange, and it's just that simple. Remember, don't leave any money on the table, guys. This is, in my opinion, a real opportunity. You know, it's going to be so nice to just wake up in 2 to 4 years and have all the money that I need to do everything that I want to continue to do. You know, to not have to worry about money or be concerned about money. It's a powerful thing. And I just believe we will never have this opportunity in life to purchase the technology of the future for this cheap. We will wake up in 2 or 3 years, Celer Network will be nowhere near 7 cents per token. Nowhere near 7 cents per token. I don't know what it'll be, but I know it won't be 7 cents, okay? You see, the writing is on the wall, and you can see the Celer Network is doing big things. The development, this layer 2 scaling platform, fast. It's easy to use. It's inexpensive to use. It allows chains to operate more efficiently in a secure environment. So Celer Network is it's a gem, and in my opinion, it's a must-have in my portfolio. So remember, I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring, and I am happy because Celer Network was up 30% today. And, you know, it just feels good to just wake up and you have money, more money than you had yesterday to put your money to work. So don't forget to click like. And don't forget to share. And until next time, my name is Ida, your crypto teacher. I'm out. Take care.